Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Domonique. I hope everyone is having a great day. I am here with a highly requested video. The last time I had this hair in, so many of you guys had so many questions about it. You wanted to know where I got it from, what kind of hair it is, how did I install it. So I'm going to let you guys know all of that today in this video. So make sure you continue to watch. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Make sure your post notifications are on so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Whew, take a breath, girl. Take a breath. So let's talk a little bit about this hair before we get into the tutorial. So I got this from janetcollection.com. I will have all the information listed down below in the description box. So shout out to Janet Collection for sponsoring this video. So this hair right here is the Organic Goddess Locks, and it comes pre-looped. When you get hair that's pre-looped, it makes your life so much easier. The majority of the hair that you get that's braided or twisted is going to come pre-looped. It has directions right here on how to install the hair, but I'm going to be showing you guys all of that in this video. So I got the color 99J. I got 6 packs. And I use all of them. I usually don't use 6 packs. I usually use around like 5 packs, but I needed 6 packs to get the fullness that I wanted. If you want your hair fuller than this, I would recommend that you get 7 packs, but I use 6 whole entire packs, none left over. And I feel like my hair is pretty full. I like the way that it came out. If you guys want a video on like different styles that you can achieve with crochet braids, I will definitely do that. Just let me know down below in the comment section. But let's just go ahead and get into this tutorial, because I can sit here and talk and talk and talk and talk and bore you guys till you just click off the video. So let's not do that. Let's jump right in. So let's begin. Here's my braiding pattern. I have 12 braids going across the front, and I have 5 big braids in the back. I have braided my hair straight back before, but I just feel like this way is so much easier. Don't judge me, honey. Look at those crooked parts, but it's all good. You know, I had to braid my hair myself. So I just like to braid my hair like this. I feel like it looks better with smaller braids in the front. So here's the hair. Let's just go ahead and install it. So you're going to need a crochet needle. So when you take the crochet needle underneath the braid, you're going to pull down the flap on the hook, put the hair in and pull it through. So it's an easy process. I feel like you can do this yourself. You really can. One thing I will say, my braids are a little tight and small, so that makes it a lot harder to get the hair through, especially if you have thicker hair. Honey, you're gonna have some time and it's gonna hurt a little bit, but you know, I like for my braids to be tight because I feel like it lasts longer. So I'm just going to continue to show you how I do this process and just show you how I just crochet the hair in. So you can do this with any type of hair. Like if you want to do curly hair, if you want to do braids, it's the same technique. So we're getting close to being done with one whole pack of hair, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with just one pack of hair. So here's one pack of hair. That's how many twists you get with one pack. So you be the judge of how many you need for your head. Now that braid that I had left over, you can like sew it up with needle and thread, but I couldn't find my thread, so I was like, you know what, we're just gonna crochet this up. And this is how I do it sometimes. So I just go underneath the braid, pull the end of the braid through. I hope you guys are following me. Just look at what I'm doing with my hands. And then after that, I'm just going to take the hair and just crochet over that to tighten everything up and just lock that end braid in. If you hear some hummings, because Skylar is right here in my lap, and honey, she just wants to talk away. So here's what 2 packs of hair is looking like. So here's 3 packs of hair, and I missed showing you guys what 4 packs of hair look like, but I will show you what 5 and 6 packs of hair look like in my head. But this is basically how I crochet my hair in. If you guys want a video on how I actually style, like do different styles, just let me know down below and I will try to get that out for you guys. But I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something. Just continue to watch me finish this hairstyle out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys have learned something. If you found this video useful, make sure you share it with your friends and family so they can find it useful as well. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. What you waiting for? You should have been already subscribed by now, honey. Pause the video, hit that subscribe button, do what you gotta do, hit that bell, come back, watch more videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.